Namaskar. In this video I will discuss about the mindset of a witness. The play of symbols and images ought to be viewed in a separated way, as though one were merely viewing a motion picture. One ought to just stay familiar with the images. There need to be no effort to examine or end up being involved in them by judgment or condemnation. When the images are therefore viewed objectively, the ego ends up being momentarily inactive. It no longer relates to the inhibitions, likes or dislikes that reinforce its specific nature. Therefore, it no longer represses material that is in dispute with its preconceptions, nor does it selectively apprehend just that material which supports its opinions and bias. Irrational, afraid, or impractical devices and desires rise into the mindful mind, and when seen objectively, disappear or are incorporated into awareness. As an outcome, the energy that had actually formerly been used for quelching these elements of the unconscious can then be usefully directed to other activities. Over an amount of time one gains greater understanding of his own nature, and the dispute in between the conscious and unconscious mind ends up being lowered.